What's going on, guys? The market is looking absolutely beautiful. As far as for myself, I don't know if I look a little bit skippy or if the audio is slightly off in comparison to my previous video because I have a different computer now. So I'm going to be trying to fine-tune this hopefully over the next couple days, but I was trying to get it to a point where I can at least get this video up for you guys, and it is pretty late for me. Over here it's 9 p.m. at night. I normally do not record videos this late at night, but you know what? I wanted to go ahead and celebrate with you guys. In case you didn't know, there was some great news, and so now you can go ahead and celebrate with us too. So you can see the general market is looking absolutely incredible. We are talking basically everything is green. Bitcoin is up 5.09%. Solana is up 5.52%. Look at this. We got this STX token is up 17.47%. Rune up 7.38%, right? I mean, guys, the list goes on and on and on. Ethereum's up 4.05%. BNB, can't let those leave those ones out. That one's also up 3.28%. So what happened? Well, there's progress that has been made. Some people are jumping to conclusions here and saying that, oh, look at that, we got a Bitcoin ETF. It's been approved in the United States, the spot Bitcoin ETF. Well, not quite, okay? But we're much closer now. So Grayscale is a major company, and they handle a lot of funds. And this includes several different notable cryptocurrencies, the most notable of which is, of course, Bitcoin. So they say here on their Twitter account, this just in, the DC Circuit ruled 3-0 in favor of Grayscale and GBTC. This is a monumental step forward for all who have been advocating for Bitcoin exposure through the added protections of the ETF wrapper. Okay? So they have prevailed in their suit against the SEC. This is not fully pushed through. So Bitcoin Magazine, they said Grayscale wins its lawsuit against the SEC over converting its funds to a spot Bitcoin ETF. From Bitcoin Magazine, very notable Twitter-based account, but lo and behold, Twitter with their community notes comes in and they say misleading news. The federal court ruled that Grayscale's petition for review be granted and the SEC's order be vacated. SEC must review its rejection of Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. The ETF itself is not approved yet. Hopefully it will be approved very soon, but we saw obviously some major bullish action taking place just even on this slight bit of news that we're looking really good here. Guess what, guys? If the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF gets approved, there is some really good opportunities and chances that we could see a lot of these other ETFs get approved as well. And a lot of people have said that this would be very bullish in the general crypto market. So let's move over here. We're going to take a look at some of the safemoon swap partners. I know I would normally do the trading analysis charts for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for BNB. I'm still trying to get myself situated with everything going on, guys. And again, it's a new computer, and I'll try to keep this video a little bit shorter because I wanted to also talk about that news. Anyways, so BBTF, it's doing quite well. In the last 24 hours, it's down 8.22%. But there's something that's really important to note here. If we zoom out on this, it was at an all-time high when it did the relaunch. Not like since its initial launch, because if any of you guys followed BBTF back then, you couldn't sell. So the thing went absolutely parabolic, and a lot of people were like, oh my gosh, I'm a millionaire right now. But they couldn't sell. So there was issues. There was a later exploit. They had to relaunch it. And that's the chart that we're looking at now, is since all of that had taken place and the token's actually functional right now, okay? So you guys, look at this. Hitting all the way up right around 0.0012, almost 1.3, on the road trying to get to a penny. Massive volume on the day. That pullback did end up closing it out as a red candle, but we're already seeing recovery. There is green taking place. we're back to levels that we saw the day before that big run up. This is very healthy, guys, that we're seeing buy pressure and sell pressure both take place. A little bit more on the sell side, volume-wise, in the last 24 hours, so you're looking at $45,000 worth. The buy side is $37,000. So discrepancy there of about $8,000 more on the sell side. But again, as of recent, the new daily candle formation is already showing some green. Down 8.22% over a 24-hour period. Then SafeMoon, how's it looking? Well, SafeMoon's got $38,000 in trading volume, $18,000 in the buy side, $19,000 on the sell side. You have a change of positive on the 24-hour mark. It's up 3% there. We're looking at a little bit of a red candle on the new day formation. That's on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, SafeMoon over on Polygon, we can see that that one, there was $1,700 in buy volume, $28,000 in sell volume. There was a 5-day run up and then a little bit of a pullback there. And so it's up 0.74% compared to 24 hours ago. And then looking at SafeMoon on the Ethereum side, 4-day run up, a little bit of a pullback here. This one says it's down 0.17% in the last 24 hours, but there were 2 transactions only. But it was for $19,000 total on the buy side. There was nothing that was being sold. So I look at these kinds of things. I find it a little bit weird when it says it's down 0.17% compared to 24 hours ago. But look, guys, massive, massive buy. One buy alone, we were looking at almost $20,000. The other one after that was about $100. Somebody dropped a massive bag. So maybe they're reading the signs, thinking that this thing's getting ready to launch, and they're trying to jump in, and they were really attracted to the Ethereum side. That's it for this update video. I hope you guys see the video. Please let me know in the comments below if, like, me moving around and stuff, if it looks really bad or if it looks okay. I hope it looks okay. I'm trying to troubleshoot and see if there's anything I can do to refine that. I kind of like downgraded in a sense. I had a desktop computer and now I got a laptop. But if I want to travel, it's going to make it a lot more easy. And so just kind of transitioning things. I also got myself a GoPro on top of everything else. For my other YouTube channel, I'm looking at probably, pretty much guarantee, doing vlogs. So yeah, I'll let you guys know more details about that once I actually get that underway. Thank you guys. God bless. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.